recording this time. Guys, you won't believe this, but you see this really big blue one? I went on it. Guys, look, this is the Canada Wonderland sign. Look, Canada's Wonderland sign, and there's the biggest ride in Wonderland right in front. It's called the Leviathan, and it's my favorite ride in the whole Canada's Wonderland, and it's really long and it's fun too. Guys, we're in Canada's Wonderland. This so many times, and look how high it is. And this is my favorite ride, Yukon Striker. Woo! Water slide, and then people are sitting and coming down this. Guys, look, the wave pool. And Behemoth is right here. I went on this so many times. I went 10 times in a row. It's so fun. Once. It's scary. Look, they're on Sky Flyer. They high. Guys, I had an amazing time at Wonderland today, and it's getting dark, so I had so much fun. I went to the swimming pool, the wave pool, and I went to so many slides, and then I went to so many rides with my whole family, and I had so much fun. So it's getting late, so I'm going to be leaving Wonderland right now. I hope you liked my video. Like, subscribe. Bye!